The last few weeks at Leiths, I've been doing the course certificate program, which is a 6-week course that takes you from the very basics of cooking all the way up to making restaurant quality finished dishes.
Leiths as an environment definitely feels like school. It doesn't feel too easy.
So what I've really enjoyed about learning at Leiths is it's very hands-on and practical. So for somebody that's quite a hands-on learner, I find it really helpful.
Like accessible sort of home cook style dishes, but they're just done with a level of care and expertise. So it's really, really, really valuable to learn, oh, the pastry is supposed to look like this, or the dough is supposed to look like this. And we make bread, we make pastry, we make sauces, we make stock, we make all these basic building blocks of food.
We've started with the first week with the basics, knife skills, making the emulsion, mayonnaise.
Really love the baking. I think that's really great because it feels like real science and something you really have to like practice and get better and better at.
What I've really enjoyed about being at Leiths is just kind of fine-tuning the details. You know, the perfect way to sear a piece of chicken, the correct way to fillet fish, the consistency that you're looking for when blind baking pastry.
I've really enjoyed the butchery and the fish cookery and the fish filleting and stuff. It's not something I've done a great deal of.
Meringues, browning of meat, filleting fish, jointing chicken, cakes. Today we've done 2 types of bread.
Oh yeah, the little things like the poking the bread to see if it springs back, and then the tapping the bread underneath. I've heard about that before, but I wasn't sure if it was true. It turns out, yeah, it is.
Yeah, the lamb rump and the profiteroles were my favourite dishes.
Having all the theory notes and stuff actually helped understand more, so then when I understood why certain things were happening, then it kind of helped me figure out, okay, so this worked because of this, or this is why it went well, why it didn't go well.
I think I knew a lot of the process, but I didn't know why. And now I know why, and I really enjoy understanding that, and I feel like that just makes it more applicable to when you change things yourself, to be understanding why you're doing things. You know, we just did a tart today, and I don't think I've ever lined a tart case so well in my life.
I don't think anybody that's a student here would be able to find a bad word to say about the teaching staff. They're all just exceptional. Every teacher here has been so good, so enthusiastic, so helpful. I think everyone loves them to pieces.
The teaching is so guided and really considered and thoughtful. The class size is not too big, so it's really easy to ask questions and get answers.
It's pretty pacey but very available. Like, there is no such thing as a stupid question, despite there being a lot of stupid questions.
My wife is a wedding florist, so we've got this long-term dream of kind of running a venue. The idea would be she kind of does everything that's pretty and I do everything that tastes good. Leiths will enable me to kind of be confident catering to 100, 120 people for kind of 2 to 3 day wedding.
I think there's a lot more opportunities after training here. I think I just like the opportunity to travel, work on boats. I guess working with all sorts of cuisines would be really interesting.
Think about what you're good enough at. Thinking about what you just like doing and what makes you feel better and more relaxed.
Go out there and gain as much experience as I can and put everything I've learned at Leiths, put it in practice. So I want to cook for sports people, for footballers, hopefully one day.
One of the teachers said it to me on an open day, that you'll come in with one idea and you'll leave with something else. Like, I thought that restaurant cookery was out of the question. The environment of working with other people and other chefs has been so enjoyable that actually I'm thinking about restaurant cookery, or at least kind of catering with lots of other people, so yeah.
I want to work in restaurants because I think that's the best learning environment for me. I want to really, really learn the ins and outs of cooking. I want to learn different styles of cooking. I want to be on different sections in the kitchen. That's what I want to do for a good few years. And then long term, I do have dreams of running my own food business of some kind, whether it's a restaurant or something else.
I have a philosophy that if you know something's going to be beneficial, you may as well do it sooner rather than later to get the most out of it. You know, I had a look at the semester syllabus for professional and for the diploma, and it's gels, it's mousses, it's foams. That was what made me sign up. I haven't even finished this course and I've signed up for the next one because I just know it's the right thing for me to get where I want to be within my career development and that kind of long-term goal of running a wedding venue.